Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to run Binance Moonbix bot automation. So if you're having issues with that, do not worry. This is going to be a complete step-by-step guide for you guys. Now before we begin, make sure that you have a proper installation and setup of Moonbix bot automation done. And how you can do that is by simply setting it up by using the bot link official. So once you clone your repository, you can see we have this command going on in here for the Moonbix bot. Then we are going to be creating a virtual environment and activating it. You can use the Python command in here. After that, you can see we have the installation that is required for the dependencies, the pip and the requirements.txt. Then you have your configuration and updating the configuration if it is needed. You're going to be simply copying these files for that. So if you are still facing any type of issues, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible and we can fix this up. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.